These are the 5 steps to help you enroll your first 5 to 10 clients and assist you in enrolling more clients consistently. Before you embark on any complicated marketing strategies to try to grow your coaching business, this is where you should start and focus your attention. Hey again, it's Norbert here with digitalmentors.com, where we help coaches, consultants, and trainers start, launch, and grow their digital mentoring business. Now, before we get into the content of this video, go ahead and subscribe to our channel so you can continue to get these powerful training videos to help you in your business. The 5-step strategy I'm going to outline here today is the foundational first phase where all coaches should really start when you're looking to start and grow your business initially. There's many different complicated strategies, whether they're paid strategies, webinar funnels, complicated funnels, acquisition offers that you can implement in your business down the road. But initially, we have to make sure that we've got a clear message to market and that we've proven that what we're offering is desired by the market. Now, there's many more advanced strategies that we can discuss to help grow and scale your coaching business. But when you're just getting started and just looking to get a consistent enrollment of new clients, perhaps hit your first 5 to 10K a month as a coach or consultant, this is the 5 steps you should be focused on. So step number 1 is, of course, the most important, which is to clarify and identify your brand message. This is all about creating a message to market match. You want to get very clear on who you are going to be serving and how you will position yourself within the market. Identify your specialty or expertise. Stop trying to be everything to everyone, and instead, when you're getting started, narrow your focus to a specific specialty and expertise within the greater market. Next, identify the ideal perfect client that is actually ready to buy what you offer right now. Identify exactly what it is that they need. What are the specific problems that they're currently dealing with that they need to resolve right now, and the specific outcomes, the desired outcomes that they want that you can help deliver for them. To break into this competitive coaching space, you've got to narrow your market initially to get started. Now, if you need some help here, where most coaches do, I invite you to participate in our Coaching Business Accelerator. It's a completely free complimentary workshop where I personally will lead you through a series of questions to help give you absolute clarity in your message to market match. Step number 2 is to identify your unique solution. This is your unique process, your methodology, your framework, your philosophy and approach that's going to help them achieve their desired outcome. I encourage you to complete our client journey and milestones exercise to clarify the exact milestones and steps that you're going to lead your client on through their experience with you. This begins to shape the steps of your framework, your unique solution or process. Take it one step further and give it a name to brand it to yourself. Step number 3, clarify your irresistible offer. How exactly are you going to serve them? What specific problems are you going to address? What steps are you going to take? And what outcomes can they expect to receive? What resources will be available to them? What access are they going to get to you? How often and for how long? Will these be one-on-one coaching sessions, an hour long, 90 minutes long, group coaching sessions, or access to you through direct messaging? What are the promised outcomes? And of course, what is the investment? On top of that, what are possible variations that you could offer to accommodate your prospects' unique goals and budgetary needs? Step number 4, start the conversation. Your success is going to be dependent on your marketing, your ability to get your message out into the marketplace. You have to put yourself out there, otherwise no one will know you exist. Choose 1 or 2 social media platforms that you are going to focus on. Notice I said 1 or 2. Don't try to be posting content on 5 different platforms. You'll never grow an audience that way. Not initially. The key here is focus so you can build momentum in the growth of your audience. You don't need a big audience, but you do need an engaged audience. And you need laser focus on one or two platforms to make that happen. My recommendation is to choose one short-form social media platform and perhaps a secondary long-form platform. An example of short-form platforms could be LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Long-form platforms, YouTube, email marketing, and perhaps LinkedIn as well. Optimize your profile so that it speaks specifically and directly to your ideal perfect client and nobody else. Learn the culture and the specific strategies that are working right now on that particular platform. Understand that every platform is different and requires a different strategy and different content. This is another reason why you can't be building multiple platforms at one time, especially if you're getting started on your own. Now, there's two important activities that you'll need to be doing on a consistent and regular basis. Number one, posting valuable content. What does your ideal client need to hear and see and learn from you to show them that you're the person that can help them with their problems? And number two, you've got to grow your following, your audience and connections on that platform. Every single day and every single week, you should be tracking the growth of your audience, your following, your connections. If your audience isn't growing, your business isn't going to be growing. You must connect and engage on that platform. Engage with the community. Send connection requests. Communicate with people. Post comments, engage with content, and send friend requests and connection requests to specific people. And number five, identify those ideal perfect clients with whom you are beginning to make connections with and who are engaging on the content that you post. This is where you should be spending the large portion of your business building and marketing time. You're getting their attention with your content and your connection and friend requests. Now, continue the conversation as you move them through the second phase of the customer journey, which is consideration, considering doing business with you. They need to learn more about you, and you need to demonstrate your expertise. Through engaging, educational, insightful, value-based content, you gain their trust. With direct conversations and engagement, you get to qualify them as quality prospects. Take a real interest in them. Ask them authentic questions to learn more about who they are, where they're at, and what they want to achieve. If you determine that they might be a good fit for what you offer, they have a problem that you can solve and a desired outcome that you can help them accomplish, invite them to take the next step and engage in a one-to-one enrollment conversation. These don't have to be awkward sales conversations. Remember, you're a coach, a mentor, a guide. You're there in service of their needs. You're not there to sell them or manipulate them or enroll them into something they don't want. When you actually show up in service of others and you create the perfect match between what you offer and who you serve, these conversations start to become effortless. Now, the big key here is consistency and repetition. This is a long-term game. Building a personal brand and becoming a thought leader in your space, an expert in your market, will take time. It takes time to build an audience. It takes time to establish yourself as an authority. But if you commit to be persistent and consistent in just these 5 activities, over time, you're going to build yourself an incredibly successful business. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below on this video. Share with me your questions, concerns, thoughts, feedback, and input. And we'd love to help you out through this process. Take advantage of all of our training videos here on YouTube and the free workshops that we do on a regular basis. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like and do subscribe to this channel so you get notifications every time we post new content. We'll see you in the next video.